Hello, my name is Lloyd. I look after Console Connect application support. My job is to help our users with anything related to our platform. Today I will be showcasing how to connect to Wasabi Cloud with Console Connect CloudRouter, taking advantage of a better, more secure and smarter way to get to your cloud instance. From the dashboard, go to the menu, click on CloudRouter and view all. Click on Add Site to CloudRouter. Click on Cloud and click on Wasabi. Over here you need to enter your Wasabi account ID, which you can find under your Wasabi profile. Head over to the Wasabi portal. In Wasabi, you need to go to your account settings. Then you will see your Wasabi account ID. Once copied, head back to Console Connect. In Console, paste your Wasabi account ID. Then select your Wasabi Cloud port location. Then click on Next. Set your site name. Then you can choose your rate limit and you can choose your class of service. Click on Next. Over here you can review your order, then click on Next. Over here is the payment page. Here you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Please note, only invoice payments are supported at this point in time. Then click on Create Site. This will take a short moment to complete, as our team will work internally to complete the provisioning for you. Then your site will go active. At this point, the Console Connect service is fully provisioned to Wasabi. To further understand the connectivity, we need to head back to Wasabi Cloud. To understand how your connectivity will be delivered to your account, you should have a bucket provisioned in the correct region where you have selected your Console Connect port location. Click on Buckets. Click on Create Bucket. Enter your bucket name. Select your region. For example, I selected the London Cloud port location in Console Connect. Therefore, in Wasabi, I need to select the corresponding region, which is London EU West 1. To understand the connectivity, the Wasabi service URL from the region resolves to an IP address that gets propagated over to Console Connect CloudRouter. Therefore, within the Console Connect private network, your applications will resolve to the IP of the region for faster and more private connectivity. Click on Next. Select any further options if you require, then click on Next. Then click on Create Bucket. The next step for the customer is to create the Wasabi object storage repository with a program like Veeam. In Wasabi, you will require to create the access keys. Go to Access Keys and click on Create Access Key. Click on Create. The access key and the secret key will be required when you configure your object storage in a program like Veeam. From the documentation on step 3.5, you can see you need to enter your region where your bucket is hosted. Then on step 3.6, you will see you need to enter your access key and secret key. Now you will be able to access Wasabi Cloud Storage through Console Connect. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us on support@consoleconnect.com. I would be more than happy to help you further.